Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel, or yeah. So currently we're having the situation. If you were here last, you would have seen me with dark brown hair, and so I decided to bleach my own hair. Yeah, so I never recorded my first time doing this, so right now I'm kind of just jumping straight into my second part of doing this, so you won't actually see me getting to this stage. I have a few clips that I've added to my story and stuff on Snapchat, so I'll put them in, but I'm really sad that I didn't record it because it was literally so hilarious. Like, I thought I was gonna be peroxide bleach blonde, and yeah, I am this color. I'm literally ginger. Wouldn't even care if my roots were actually if my roots blended in, I wouldn't really mind the color. But yeah, so I decided that I'm going to go up and ruin my hair once more. I'm gonna use this instead this time. I bought two because they're on sale for 2 for €13. Right, let's get into it. So I'm going to take out my hair. Brush out this ginger mess. I'm currently watching a movie on subtitles, so I wouldn't have it in the background, so this is great. And all my setup is blocking subtitles, so it's even better. Okay, I better take this off because it's going to get in my way. My viewfinder right now is a mirror, so I can't really see anything. So I really hope that you can actually see me and that I'm in focus and whatnot, etc, etc, etc. I wish you could see this right now. My viewfinder is literally a mirror, so if I ever look over here, it's just to make sure that we're still recording. We're still okay. So yeah, I need to get into this because I don't really have that much storage. So I'm literally, oh my god, what is my hair? I hate this. Hate me. I look like your man from Harry Potter. Oh my god. It's really pretty. Okay, I better mix one of these. Okay. Come in handy. Purple shampoo. That will come. I have. Why am I so clumsy? Right, we have developer cream. My viewfinder, that's my mirror, so sorry. Sorry if you have some gloves. So professional. Right, so instructions. Do not inhale or ingest. Dang it. A little towel. A little hairdresser's towel. Don't ruin my top. Put on the gloves. Okay. A cape. Right. Nasty. Step 3. Next, pour the entire content of the tube of bleaching cream. I lost my bleaching cream. Oh. Shit. Oh, ew, it looks disgusting. Disgusting. gosh, being blonde is so hard. Why do the kids decide to come and play in my garden when I'm filming? I ain't doing that. Not funny. Wow, I'm so professional. Wear my school on cap and bubble cream bottle shake. English? English, please? Yellow, like I haven't actually seen anything, and it's been in for quite a while now. It comes with these two. Well, it comes with one, but I bought 2 boxes, so it comes with these 2 purple shampoos. Doesn't really say anything on them. They look like really purpley, so I'm kind of hoping that it will work. Like that is proper, like thick purple. Oh, it smells good. Brassiness conditioner. Hopefully that will get rid of all this yellow in my hair, and if not, then I will be putting this Bleached London Rosé shampoo in, just because I want my hair to be pink for independence. Why do I keep calling it that? Indie this week. That is how late this video is going up. I am such a bad YouTuber. Yeah, hopefully this will work. Yeah, it smells like camelty. But I'll probably just make my roots pink, and the rest of me will still be ginger. So yeah. Just a quick update. We're currently, after lifting away most of that gingerness, I am now yellow. Yeah, it's still kind of ginger here. And this is really just a big mess up video, so a mess of videos is a mess up hair, so it might as well just be a mess of video too while I'm at it. Yeah, so this is currently my situation. My purple shampoo is actually blue. I don't really know where it's going. Yeah, I'll keep you updated throughout the whole process. I'll give you the end result. At the moment, I think the end result's gonna be just me being still ginger, or else yellow, or else with no hair. Yeah, if all my hair falls out, stay tuned for that. This is my current hair situation. Update, it's still ginger. Apple pink in it. Pink at the top here. And then the rest of it is quite not so pink. Final update. I hate myself. My hair is currently this color. My roots are pink. This part is like strawberry blonde, and then it's like pink streaks at the bottom. At the back we have a little bit of purple going on. Yeah, this is the finished look. I bleached my own hair. And now it's pink and ginger and strawberry blah, 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 purple. Look at this! Holy Mother of Joseph. Please learn from our mistakes. Do not bleach your own hair. Currently in this oh my god, it's such a pink. Anyways, ginger up here, blonde down here. So what I decided to do is, because I am just a crazy bitch, I say I'm going to purposely go ginger. So I'm using this. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Right, hi guys. So I'm still out here looking quite ginger. Sorry, my camera's shaking. Right, hi guys. So I'm still out here looking quite ginger. Sorry, my camera's shaking. I can't really like balance it. Right, there we go. So this is my hair at the moment. This video is taking so long to put up and I'm so sorry. Like, I'm just such a good YouTuber, you know, like just putting stuff up on time and like being so consistent. But no, this video is not going to go up for so long because I still have to edit it. I'm currently on my way to the hairdresser. On my way? Yeah, I'm on my way in the bathroom. I'm getting ready to go to the hairdressers because I'm finally getting it fixed professionally. No more box dye. It actually didn't turn out that bad of a colour. I'm not gonna lie, like I'm not like mad about it. Like I would keep this, like it's, you know, it's grand. But obviously my Debs is in 2 weeks and I'm wearing a yellow dress, so yeah, I don't really want to have this colour hair. Anyways, yeah, so sorry, my skin is actually disgusting. Like I face. Is that even a word? I don't even know. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna keep you all posted. This video is literally 2 weeks after my first video, so great, it's good, it's fine. It's been literally over a week now and I'm finally blonde. I went to Bleached My Hair and they fixed me right up. Don't mind my tips, I put purple shampoo in them and they went grey silver. My hair is quite dead at the moment, still wet. I just washed it. I'm trying to like keep away from the heat because the amount of bleach that I put into my hair right now, it's literally like straw. But yeah, I've actually finally went and finished my hair and blonde now. Don't mind my tan as well, it's kind of shockingly awful. Anyways, yeah, this has been the longest video I've ever recorded. By that I mean this is my second video ever recording, so I don't know why I said that, but but yeah, this has taken me so long to upload. I'm just done editing it. I'm literally putting this video in right now, showing you my hair. Yeah, I don't think this is kind of like the video I bleached my own hair. Like I didn't actually do this myself, I got this fixed, so I don't know, but I didn't really want to finish it at just ginger me, you know. I just thought I'd let everyone know that I'm actually okay now and I still have hair, I'm not bald. Yeah, this is it. That's all from me now for today, for this video. Hopefully this will be up soon. And hopefully my next few videos will be actually more consistent and on time and just better than this. Literally, I'm awful. I'm an awful person. Bye.